Hi guys, it's Veetch. Welcome back to my video. Wait, I was supposed to say welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'll do it again. Okay. Hi guys, it's Veetch. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to go for a full glam look, of course, and I definitely wanted to incorporate some greens and some golds. I thought I was going to do like a green and blue look, but I got a little carried away with the with the green. But I really like how this turned out. Before getting into this makeup tutorial, I did want to go ahead and give you guys a review on this unit by Wiggins hair. If you are interested, stay tuned. Okay guys, so the unit that I have on today is the Machine Made Wigs Affordable Human Hair Wigs, high quality wigs with bangs, and that is the full name of the unit listed on the site. And I really like it actually. I feel like it held up pretty nicely. I've probably been wearing it for maybe about a month or so. However, I did not like how it came in the mail. When I received it, it wasn't like packaged right. It was just like it was thrown in like the plastic bag with the stuff inside of it, and when I pulled it out, it had a funky smell to it. It did smell like corn chips. Not gonna lie about that. And it was just really messy and all over the place. Like they just did not care how they sent it, how they packaged it. I didn't complain too much because I did get the wig on sale at $45. And plus it's just a 12-inch, so I really wasn't complaining. But yeah, that's how the wig came. I haven't curled it yet. Probably should curl it. I haven't curled it yet, but I feel like it'll hold. I feel like maybe it'll hold a curl, but I don't really think so. I definitely won't be curling this hair. That's one thing I've learned by heart. If you want to have curls in your hair, you get you some curly hair, and if you want straight hair, you get you some straight hair. Okay. Another thing that I noticed about this unit, like that I did not like, at the top, like because it's a machine made wig, you can see the wefts, and you can see no matter how I try to like lay the hair over the weft to like, you know, like the closure part of it, and the weft still shows. I don't know, I cannot cover that up. If you guys can see that, like I cannot cover that up, and it looks funny. It's the part that it just sticks up. It starts bulging. Whenever I try to cover it, it starts bulging up. I don't know what I can do to fix it, but hopefully nobody looking at the top of my head. This was my first time purchasing hair from Wiggins hair. I definitely look forward to maybe getting a couple of frontals, or maybe some closure units. That's something that I'm really like interested in. Like that's like one of my favorite things. I'm not really good at applying frontals, but I'm okay at applying closures. I would say I need some more work with that. Overall, this unit is just really, it's really soft. Now that's one thing that I would definitely give to them. This unit is so soft. Like it's super soft, guys. Like it's super bouncy. I don't know if they had any other colors. I wish they had like a natural black color. This is like a jet black. Like, this is like I actually don't even wear my hair jet black, so this was pretty different for me. It took some getting used to. Other than that, it's super soft, super sleek, and it has some sheen to it as well, which I like. I decided to review this hair just because I know a lot of people are concerned about how a unit may look and they may want to see it on someone else. So I just decided that I'll go ahead and put this out here for you guys to have for your resources. And if you're interested, I definitely say, I'll leave the link down below to the unit, and I definitely say go ahead and make that purchase, because I feel like a bang wig is always something that every girl should have in her collection. It's just such a grab and go wig. And I work, I work out, I go to the gym, and it's super convenient for me. Sometimes you just want to take a break from the glue. I know I do. That's one of my pet peeves when I wear closures or frontals. I hate the buildup of the glue. And when you have a bang unit, you don't really glue it down. Well, I wouldn't glue it down. And that's just one less thing that I have to worry about. And I could take it off and put it back on in the morning. So that works with me. All right, that concludes the review. If you were interested in seeing how I got this look. Stay tuned. So boom. We doing what I usually do, which is prepping my lids to put down my shadows. I think I used my P. Louise base in shade number 6, and I'm taking a fluffy brush and putting down this green color in the Jamrock palette. I believe it may be in the shade Moves. Yes, it's the shade Moves, and this is the original Jamrock palette. It's the one with the black cover, and I'm just taking a fluffy brush and putting that down so the shadows have something to stick to. And I'm going in now with the shade Set Good in the Jamrock palette, and I'm trying to create the halo effect. Actually, guys, the halo look is one of the easiest looks to do. Color to me is just so simple. This is actually how I started to do makeup. I was always intrigued by color, and I wanted to learn how to do that myself, and I'm doing it. And I'm just putting it on each side, and I'm making sure to bring it all the way up above where my eyelid folds at, so when I open my eyes, you can see it, as I just did right there. And I'm just building it up into the intensity that I want it to be, and I'm doing that for each side. I'm really glad that I put the shade down underneath it too, because it helps it blend better, and it just looks so much more complete and not like empty, if that makes sense. Now I'm going on the outside with the shade called Goudas, I believe. Good ass, I don't know. And I'm blending that out, and to get this, actually more of a muted kind of yellowish color, but mixed with the green, it looks it's also making it look like a lighter green, like a lime green, but it's actually really not. It's actually like a muted color. And off camera, I went in with some black just to deepen that up, just because I felt like it looked a little empty. And just make sure, I didn't show you guys, just make sure that when you do place the black down, you only use a little bit. Like, do not get too crazy, because it will mess the look up. And I'm going back over that with the shade Set Good and just blending that out. And that's just going to create some depth and dimension for you guys. It also, guys, if you feel like the lighting looks a bit different, it's just because I used my 2 box lights instead of my ring light and my box lights on the side. So instead of using a 3-point setup, I just use a 1-point setup. I feel like last time when I recorded the other Spring and Bloom series look with that sunset smoky eye I did, I felt like the lighting really like washed the color out, so I wanted to like bring that down a little bit so that I can make the colors look true and vibrant and just so much more true to color, because in person when I did that look, it was really beautiful, but I feel like the camera just didn't capture that how I would like it to. And I am finishing up. I just made sure that I blended everything to my liking, and now I'm just getting prepared to put the glitter down. Excuse my nails, y'all. I work with animals, as I mentioned before, so my nails are typically either short or just got some polish on them, but I don't do my nails all the time, which I feel like I should, but I have to keep them short for work, so I'm just laying down a pigment glue so I could put the glitter that I'm using down. This is the P. Louise glitter in the shade Gold Gasm. It's either Gold Gasm or Gold Digger. I don't know. I don't have it on me, but those are the ones that I use. The one that doesn't have the pink reflex in it, that's the one that I'm using. And I'm just going in and doing my brows. I had already applied my foundation, so after this, I'm just gonna finish up with my face and
this will complete the look, guys. This was super simple. Halo looks are really easy. If you want to try this look, go ahead and let me know. Send me pictures, hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on Snapchat, hit me on Twitter. Let me see how it turns out. And that completes this look, y'all. I am done. That was super quick and super easy. I do apologize for not getting this out to you guys sooner, but it's been so cold in Chicago. I just haven't really been in the spring mood. But anywho, give this video a like, comment, and subscribe.